In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sweet and spicy jalapeno cheddar cornbread. For this recipe, you're going to need a half a cup of melted butter, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of cornmeal, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup of sharp cheddar cheese shredded, 2/3 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and 2 jalapenos. In a medium-sized bowl, mix the eggs, milk, and melted butter together. Next, you're going to remove the seeds from the jalapenos. Now cut the jalapenos into small pieces. Now in a large bowl, combine the flour, cornmeal, jalapenos, salt, and cheese together. Now mix everything together just until it's combined. Be careful not to overmix this step. Spray your baking pan with nonstick cooking spray before placing the dough in, and then bake in an oven that's been preheated to 375 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes or until they're golden brown. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.